Mihlali N once again shows that she does not care about what we think about her relationship with a married man. Is lasizwe and Mihlali dating? Sithelo Shozi breaks her silence. From seeing our content creators dancing to our favorite songs to seeing them fight with one another, basically TikTok has turned into a boxing ring.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, the beautiful face on your screen is Unothando MaGabela, and welcome to Couch Session with Lu. Just to clear everything out, this is episode 2 and I'll be discussing topics that are trending on social media. So I'm not bringing you breaking news as in like I investigated and I got to know. It's things that are trending on social media and I'm giving my own point of view on it. So let's get into it. So the first topic that I'm going to discuss is the beefs and the feuds that have been happening on TikTok. So the little content creators, or I don't want to say little, but the ones who have like less numbers than the verified ones or whatever you want to call it, have been complaining that they only befriend them, or they only like show their nice side when the followers are aligned, like when they have the same amount of followers. According to me and the way I see it, this is my point of view, guys, again, like it makes sense though, because the time you create your own content and you now being exposed to bigger content creators or them befriending you, that's a sign that you're actually doing something right. You making it in some kind of way. It's like saying, how can I put this? It's like you complaining that you're getting a Grammy in a certain amount of time now that your music have been popping, but you haven't been getting a Grammy when your music wasn't that big, if you get what I'm saying. Obviously, the time you do good things or the time you provide good content, you're gonna get like recognized. Bigger content creators are gonna recognize you, and that's why they would want to collab with you. One, it could be that they are trying to show that, okay, as content creators, as people who have influence in the TikTok platform, as South Africans, we can be combined and we can be one. Or number two, they're just trying to show, oh, there's someone who's doing this and who's doing as well as us, so support them. That's how I see it. I don't know if other people see it like that, but it's like you complaining that you're only getting an award once you're doing well, but when you're not doing well, you're not getting an award. People are recognizing you. When you're small, who's gonna recognize you because you don't have any numbers for people to recognize you? Okay, maybe if the content creator knew you before you started doing your thing, at the end of the day, why would they want to collaborate with you if you're not doing the same thing as they're doing and you're not like as big as them? So I don't get the feud between the little content creators and the big content creators. And people tend to like bash them and say, bye, Chela. And like, I've never had that experience with a famous person, well, a content creator, let me say that, or influencer. Like, oh, Jessica Mashaba and all those people, they answer the DMs, they try their best to interact, to go live, because they know Gucci, they career lies on abantu people. They need people to continue growing. So I feel like if you wanted to befriend a content creator and they didn't want to be your friend, and now you're coming to complain that they're only talking to you now that you've made it, then I think that's like a you problem. So guys, can you stop this beef, please? And the second topic I am going to discuss is the lasizwe and Mihlali situation. Guys, when I first heard rumors or people talking, I was like, lasizwe would never. Number one, Mihlali is too young for lasizwe. Lasizwe goes for like politicians. Lasizwe goes for my uncle, my dad kind of vibe, yabo. So I was like, I know lasizwe. And guys, to get this out there, I'm a big fan of lasizwe. I always say if I had to meet one celebrity, it would be lasizwe, and I would faint. I love lasizwe to bits, but I don't know what's happening right now. I don't know what's going on. So lasizwe posted a picture of him holding Mihlali's hand and saying, I'm not together forever, my life. I'm gonna put it here. Let me not make up this caption or anything like that, but I'm gonna put the picture here. The way we're all thinking and what everyone has been thinking, lasizwe has had some kind of with Usomi's, not beef, but they had bumped heads, okay? Mihlali, we all know, is Somi's ex, and things did not end well after the audio went out, and after he said he wanted, well, on Living the Dream, to 50-50, you know. According to me, them coming together, it's because they have a common enemy. I feel like they're coming together because they have a common enemy. If I might be wrong, but this is my point of view. And if I'm wrong, I'm sorry, but this is my point of view. I feel like they're coming together because they have a common enemy. Mihlali is not lasizwe's type. Like, lasizwe does not like kids. That's what I know, and that's what he's been portraying throughout social media, and that's what he's been telling us, that kids, we must bring our dads, our uncles, and all those things, yeah, bro. And looking at them at the Durban July handing, and obviously Somizi was there, and Somizi is not entertaining this. I didn't hear him speak on this or anything like that. He is not entertaining it, and I've seen most of the time people ask lasizwe what's happening between him and Somizi. They never ask Somizi that. So I feel like maybe Somizi is newsworthy to lasizwe, but lasizwe is not newsworthy to Somizi. So in all my interviews, it's not newsworthy to like ask about him. Yabo. Maybe that's the thing. But guys, I don't support that relationship. I don't know what's going on. So the next topic I'm going to discuss is the Mihlali and Damase situation. So Mihlali went to the Durban July, matching with his new bae, or whatever you want to call him, and apparently his wife was there at the Durban July too. It's not the first time we've heard that Mihlali has taken someone's man or anything like that, and according to her, whatever she said. I might be wrong. It might be wrong what I said, but I don't think we should be bashing Mihlali. I think Mihlali is just being bashed because she's on a public platform. How many people have been in that situation? Probably you judging her, you've also been in that situation. If the man wants Mihlali, the man wants Mihlali. Like, you can't like bash her for that now. And she went for him. It's not like she threw herself to him. Besides, if she did that, then that's another story. But I feel like we should just leave Mihlali alone. If she wants someone that will buy her the things she wants and maintain her lifestyle, love her, do everything for her, and be whoever she. And so Mihlali is a hardworking person, according to what we see on social media. But like, G obviously has different points of views about that. But Mihlali should just do her, like, it's not the same, because I don't know what to say, but the bottom line is Mihlali must continue doing her. And we all know, bruh, like, even G, Jackie, and all those people have been saying that some of these influencers find people who are going to fund their lifestyles. And if you want that, then do that. That's your life. You're coochie, you're everything. So do what you want to do with whatever part of your body. But you can't judge me for selling my bozo because I want money from Nigerians. It's my body. Yeah, but some people will do other things to get money. Some people will, yeah, but I'm not saying Mihlali is with this man to get money though. Maybe it's just pure love, guys. But okay. Last but definitely not least, it's what happened yesterday. So Sithelo Shozi decided to do a Q&A. I feel like, okay, she did a Q&A on her story, and someone asked, I'm gonna put the things on screen, not the videos or anything like that because of Andile speaking or anything like that, but I'm gonna put what I could screenshot at the time. So Andile, he decided to threaten Sithele's life. Like, that's like the one thing that just threw me off. I don't understand, why does someone think they have the power over somebody's life? It's like, are we luto? What kind of man speaks like that? What kind of man speaks to a woman like that? Like, he did not only physically abuse her, also emotionally. The things he was saying to Sithelo, like, they just They're not it. They're not it. I thought Angelo was a chilled person, a mama's boy who's just chowing money, but he actually has like a bad side, like a demon side, like. Bruh, and I saw him apologizing, like he was busy sending my text messages to Sithelo all the time. Sithelo is posting it. Like he could have just kept quiet. I'm not saying you must keep quiet and like be like a be two-faced and act like a person he's not. It's good that he did that and Sithelo exposed them for it because she's been quiet for so long and people are laughing at her. Uguti, they left her and stuff like that. But I think it was a blessing in disguise. Uguti Sithelo is no longer in this relationship. And the fact that I dating J uzombula at something like that. Like, excuse me if he did not say that. If he did not say that, excuse me, I just need to check properly. But he was saying something like that, but some violent shit to her, and basically telling her that he must give her today, and then uzobe saying gekho. So I think it's because Taylor started posting those things that now Andile started apologizing and saying, I'm sorry, I didn't mean any of those things and all that. So Andile was like, let's see you make it out alive. Who makes it out alive? Right there, red flag, toxic. And then Sithelo was like, if there's one thing I don't need, is this drama of yours in my life. Okay, bigs up to you for being mature and not like showing any sass or anything like that. And then he goes on and writes, I don't know if this is English or what. He's like, I'm going to make you life very hard, Carrie, but you poking me, you always angry, you never happy, you never appreciate. You tell me, why did you have children with me? You had the first child and you was who I was and what I love and don't love. You always have a problem. You want love, you don't want to spoiled, you don't want to live in a better place, you don't want life to change. What's your problem really? Do me a favor and go to PMB today, please. And then the is like, you must think you can control me. And then there's like K with a laughing face. That shows that he thinks he has power over her. Obviously, Sithelo laughed at this because he's like, are you serious? You think you have power over me? And then he laughs back. And then he's like, if a court case, Sithelo was like, if a court case is what you want, then it's fine. And then Andy is like, let the games begin. You think court is a joke. You see, so maybe he thinks he has the money to control this whole thing. Yabo, he thinks he has the money to control this whole thing. And words of encouragement or words to Sithelo, thank you so much for showing us what kind of person who Andile is. Because we all thought he was this nice, strange mama's boy and stuff like that. And you showed us his true colors, you know. And I know it's not gonna be easy for you. This whole thing is not going to be easy because you were the laughing stock for so long and now you finally spoke up and you've been protecting this animal, you know what I'm saying? So, and I know that God is not going to allow you to go do this by yourself, and if you do choose to take this to court, court is no joke, whatever he meant, like to go against such powerful people. You are a powerful woman yourself, and a good thing for you have God behind you, because we all know that God knows the truth and he knows that you were a victim in all of this. So bigs up to you and God bless, and speak your truth. If there's anything that you haven't spoken about that you think they are going to be like serious consequences behind it, do you, girl, and all the best to you and whatever is happening. And I hope you heal emotionally, because you might not have the scars on your face and you look fresh, but emotionally you need to heal. And I hope you heal, and I hope God is there with you in every single step of the way. And to the rest of the people, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And till next time on my couch.